Alright YouTube, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Got some Evo with some couple of DSMers. Y'all know this one. We got this one up and going. Let's see what's going on. Then we got my brothers. Just gonna have a little bit of fun. That's no big deal. Evo is on E85, so we're gonna see what fun we get into. You know, let's just say we might have to just do a redo.
Where you gonna go?
Gets it on the launch. Want to do a roll or dig?
Gotta do a dig. Gotta be something. I got no juice.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Someone. Are you ready? I'll yell it out.
Alright, go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3! Shooting out. Yeah. You're not save it and send it my way. go in here? Needs gas.
Huh?
Needs gas. We're gonna pull in here. I tried to give him the hit, but he didn't go. Yeah, I might as well. Cool. Get some better lighting here. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. A little different than usual. This is kind of more of the stuff I like to get into, but we are done for today. And it was a cool little matchup between you know, some friends and family that meet up. It's all good times, all good vibes here. Good thing about it is we're pretty close to the border, so we're able to go to Mexico for the real quick and take care of some business, have some fun. We're gonna see if we can get some more of the 1320, some more footage of playing around, having some good times. But we're gonna go ahead and cut it right here, and we're gonna see you guys on the next video. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Peace.